Welcome to my new video. From thumbnail you can understand. So this is the unboxing and review of gaming keyboard, or simply you can say Cosmic Byte mechanical keyboard with Otamu red switches. Model name is CB GK26. So in this video I will be give you a brief overview of this keyboard and my personal experiences. So watch the video till very end. Let's get started. So this is the box of the keyboard, written the Pandora mechanical keyboard with the rainbow LED and the Otamu red switches, and the model is CBGK26. As this is I brought from the Amazon. Now let's open the box, and before that I can check the back side of this box. This is the sticker remove, let it be. So now let's unbox it. The packaging I that receive is very good, no damage, no issues at all. But here is the package, it's unwrapping easily. This is a normal tape, that usually over it all have packages. Now check the internal overview of the box, and this is, you can see the keyboard. This is wrapped over it, and below that I received the keycap puller and nothing much. I guess I checking the back side of the keyboard, no, then nothing there, but this is the manual within the warranty card, I guess. With the help of this you can check and read all the functions and the LED rainbow switches, different keys. Basically you can change the lights of the keyboard. I will be showing them. Watch the video till the end. And this is the keyboard. Unwrap it, removing the side cover, and this is the first look of the keyboard. Basically I am using this keyboard from last 6 months. After that I am uploading the video. So if you want to know what is the experience and is this the value for money product or not, you can watch the video till the very end. So this is the keyboard. It has very nice. The keyboard has a weight little bit. Now checking the back side of the keyboard. This is let's trace this how it sounds. The sound is very good, not bad. This is the cable, it's not braided. Focus, yes, camera is focused. This is normal USB plug which you have to plug it to the computer. Now test the sound quality of it. So this is the red Otamu switch that I have opened after the unboxing. You can see. Now if I talk, I purchased the keyboard from Amazon, and while I purchased I got some discount as well. Basically this is under nearly 2500 keyboard, mechanical keyboard. I like these qualities, and the sound is also pretty good, nothing disappointment. Also the light, so very good, the LED lights, rainbow LEDs, I like it very much. For the typing experience I will give it 4 out of 5 according to my experiences. I use this keyboard as long nearly 6 months. 6 months ago I have ordered through Amazon. Yes, the typing speed is also increased. Before this keyboard my typing speed is nearly average to 50 word per minute to 60 word per minute. After this keyboard I got averagely speed up nearly 75 or above. Sometimes it got to 80 also. If you want to type and check what is your typing speed, you can check out description. I have provided some link for typing testing and improve your typing skills. So this is it, the keyboard. I will be the worth for money. If you want to invest and want a better keyboard, then I will be recommend is this keyboard. But yes, this is the some lighting functions that I am changing and checking. So I will be definitely recommend it for anyone for who wants need to increase the typing or programmers. Definitely go for it. This will be worth it according to its price. So this is my review all overall. So this is the different modes of the lights that you can check. The manual over there, it's provided. So that's all from my side. If you subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Nothing much. And this is the mouse. I already made a video of it. You can also check it out after this video. So I guess you liked my video. Now signing off. See you in the next one.